A man accused of beating his estranged wife's parents to death is facing life in prison without the possibility of parole. He was in court today where records show he allegedly admitted the crime to police.
Today we're learning a little bit more about the history of the 33-year-old man accused that goes back more than a decade. Barton Dieters pulled the court files and brings us the details. Barton.
Right, Brian and Marley. Today at his arraignment, Nathan Broad appeared confused as a judge told him he's charged with felony murder for the homicide of a couple in their 60s. Records in Kent County Probate Court show he has a long history of extreme and threatening behavior. The bodies of 66-year-old Ted and 62-year-old Patty Sarek were discovered Tuesday after their daughter asked police to do a welfare check on the couple she'd not heard from for a week. Court records released today show that the day after the bodies were discovered, Board admitted to detectives that he entered the couple's home east of Caledonia armed with some kind of blunt object. Board allegedly told police he quietly sneaked into the upstairs bedroom where he found the sleeping couple and proceeded to bludgeon them to death with multiple blows to the head. Detectives wrote that Board, when first questioned, described the prior week as a blur, said he was having a particularly bad week because he'd stopped taking his medication and Sarek's daughter was planning to divorce him. After he killed the couple, he locked the doors as he left the house, leaving a bloody droplet in the garage where the couple had previously given him access, police say. Board allegedly told police that he, quote, felt very bad the following day. In court today, Board seemed to not understand the seriousness of his situation as he appeared before Judge Sarah Smolinski.
Yeah, I thought I was in here for a abuse on a police officer. I don't know.
So the charge yesterday that you were arraigned on was a resisting and obstructing a police officer. That's a separate charge, and you already were arraigned on that.
Yeah.
These are new charges.
24-hour News 8 obtained probate court records that show in May of 2004, Board's father asked to have his son involuntarily committed. The petition states that Board was, quote, verbally and physically aggressive, shows extreme moods, and is very wild-eyed at times. 14 years ago, the father said that his son was refusing medicine and help. Board is held in the Kent County Jail without bond. He's slated to return to court in about 2 weeks for a hearing where it's likely his attorney will ask for a psychiatric review to see if he can be held responsible for his actions. In studio, Barton Dieters, 24-hour News 8.